Are you done? Hey. Am I done?
You look horrified.
Anything else?
Like what?
Comment that on my phone. Look, what what's the color of my eyeshadow?
Red, blue, white.
How come it's red with blue white?
Look at your
Same as
lips.
my list. Okay. Sino yung tate?
Kuya.
Okay, okay.
Put on some strawberry body lotion.
Yeah. Oh, my hair pa.
Okay,
hair.
once we're done, hold this up to your face.
My hair, my hair.
Let's go. I don't have a comb.
Where's the comb? Okay, go.
Wait, no, not this. Oh, yeah, use this.
I want the one that like this. Do I need to put headband? Oh, I'm a girl now. I want to look like a boy.
You look like a girl. Fine, no headband. But you still look like a girl.
I want to look like a boy.
Let me.
Oh my gosh.
Let me. Let me.
I want my hair to be tangled. Okay. Okay. What's that? Is that water? If it's water, it might feel like... Oh, is it? No. That's what water. That's what water. If you put water, my hair won't get fine.
Don't worry.
Ouch. I'm Isabella's Barbie alive. Like, you look like a girl.
No, you don't.
You need to put mustache. Not that one. You should put... Look, I look like Hitler. Wait, where is the black one? Do you have black eyeshadow?
Black? I don't think so.
Borrow.
Ah, here. Yeah, I have. It's not really that black. What is this? I want to put.
Here only I know those.
How about your ano? Eat. I ate all. Isa, do you want Dommy pizza? Feed it to me because my hands are dirty. I ate all of mine and I'm so hungry.
Nagutom siya nung kainin niya to. Is look. Do I look like a boy now? After this, I will take a bath now. Mm. You're a terrible ice cream sugar. You look like a boy! Look! Yo, I'm a boy! You know, we are bored. Yeah.
I'm hungry.
You want apple?
Gummy.
Hungry for gummy bear?
Not gummy bear. Pizza.
But you already ate.
I said
Wait.
boy.
Oh, you. What?
But I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry.
Ask permission to your dad first.
Ask permission to your dad first.
How about my eyebrow?
Oh man, I'm so handsome. Don't call me ate, I'm a boy. Yes, look. Hello, boy. Hello, girls. I'm a boy.
Do I need to put here? Oh! Sorry! Wait.
Wait, it's hard to be a boy, you know.
It's not hard for me to be a mouse.
This is a transformation.
Let's put a little boy transformation.
Boy transformation.
Ay.
Whoa.
Daddy's not here. Mom, my daddy's not here.
My name is Norman.
And you are not my daddy.
Of course, I'm not your daddy. I'm a...
Gummy pizza!
No more na dun.
No more na dun. I'm hungry for gummy.
Do you have a hat? A cup? Okay, bye-bye.